Can sitting heal your back? Come join me this Saturday, November 6th at 11 a.m. for a free 90-minute workshop where together we'll take a fresh look and challenge some old beliefs. I'll review science, offer recommendations and practices that relate to work, office, and leisure sitting. We'll discuss sitting on various surfaces, the impact on the backrest and seat bend supports, standing desk, kneeling chairs, and even zero-gravity chairs. I'll help you find the right chair for you. Please spread the word. Too many people suffer from poor posture, back, and neck pain. And did I mention that it's free? This Saturday, November 6th, from 11 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. Just click on the link below to register. I hope to see you there.